Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are actually going to go ahead and get into this video. I'm showing you all the different books that I got under $100 on Amazon. Now, I am an engineering major, specifically mechanical, and a lot of these books are expensive out here, especially like if you're in a STEM major, or as you can say STEAM, which also includes the arts majors. STEAM, or STEM if you don't know, is science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. I am under the E category of STEM. Also, I wanted to show you how I take notes on my iPad. The iPad, or just tablet in general, is really helpful when you're taking notes. You don't have to carry all these heavy books with you, but unlike my semester, this semester, I'm gonna have to be carrying these heavy books. And it's the new iPad, like the latest one. I'm gonna figure out the names for it, but it comes with this pencil, so that's the newest one. And it's 11 point, this is my notes. It's a 11.9, no, 12.9, yeah, 12.9 inch iPad. So the first books that we're getting into is my material science and engineering book. Now I got these all rented for all under, it was actually like, yeah, it was like $99 and like 76 cents. And I got all of these rented. The first book is Material Science and Engineering. If you are a nerd out there, yay! It's great, yeah. So, Material Science and Engineering, basically, it's a course about all the different types of materials. Prereqs are physics and chem. Yeah, calc-based physics. So, yeah, this is, I'm excited about this course that we're having. Currently, I'm doing homework right now. I just wanted to film this video real quick and kind of do like an unboxing of all these books. So this is the first book. I believe this book only cost me $31, I think. I don't remember. Like I said, it was all under $100. Next one, Mechanics of Materials. Okay, so Mechanics of Materials, also aka Strengths of Materials. There's also a lab, so that's a different class, but it's also connected, and I think you have to take them concurrently, but if not, then take it another time. But you can't take the lab before you take this, because you have to know this before you take the lab, or at least do it together. So yeah, this is Strengths of Materials. Actually, my flowchart is up here. So prereqs are engineering statics, like statics of equilibrium, calc 2, yeah, so statics and calc 2, strengths of materials. Also, material science and engineering, like I said, physics, chemistry. Yeah, so this is basically just the mechanics of materials, all that type of nerd stuff I'm excited for. I actually have a friend in there, in that class, and yeah, that's pretty cool. Next book, Dynamics. Dynamics, oh, how everyone loves Dynamics. Dynamics is actually the big sister to statics, so you can't take Dynamics unless you've taken statics. And the other prereq to Dynamics is Calc 2. Calc 2 is basically a class that you quit your whole major in engineering or whatever you're going for in your STEM. You can quit your whole major if you don't really care for Calc 2. Obviously, you have to get through it. Calc 2 is a very, very difficult course, at least for me it was. but I got through it because I'm taking dynamics now. So dynamics is basically about everything that's moving. Statics is everything that is still. So that's basically the main difference. I was told by my roommate that if you like still things, like learning about still things, choose civil engineering. But if you like moving objects, then choose mechanical. So the still goes with statics, moving goes with dynamics. This is dynamics, I'm headed towards mechanical, so I have to take this course. So I also wanted to show you the notes, how I take on my iPad. I'm actually gonna flip this around so I can show you some of the notes that I take. So these are some of the courses that I have. So I just added a minor as cybersecurity. I have all of my engineering classes. Also I have a foodie because I have vegan cookbooks, so I can just swipe to that. This app is Notability. I have my math, all my differential equations, all the. For dynamics, I have kinematic of a particle. These are some of the questions that I'm learning, but basically with this pen, I can double tap it to erase. I can erase that. Then I can also click the go back button, but I can always just look. Some of the cool updates is, or for some of the cool updates, you can make a circle. Hey, why are you doing it? So yeah, so there we go. Make some of the cool circles like that. And then you can style it if you want. You can have it filled and it could be a different color, which is like so interesting. I'm gonna erase that. And then also I can upload my syllabi in here, which is pretty cool. And here are some of the PowerPoints. I'm able to upload the PowerPoints as well into Notability, which is also a pretty cool thing. That concludes this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you would like to, and hit the notification button if you want to be a part of the notification gang. I'm actually going to make this as a separate playlist on my YouTube channel as, I wouldn't say nerd stuff, but engineering, STEM field somewhat, because I do want to talk about my major more instead of just talking about hair and food related subjects. So that, I think that's going to be my third topic of my YouTube channel. So yeah, more videos will be in store. So since school has started for me already, it probably hasn't started for you. Maybe if you're in a different part of the country, a different part of the world. Study hard. Actually, don't study hard. Study smart. If you study smart, you'll be able to get better grades. Stay on top of your work. Be proactive. Definitely, we bind distractions, we bind anxiety, we bind confusion, because the more and more you grow, the more, like, the harder things are gonna get. So you're gonna want to make sure that you're always like trying to at least be prepared for the harder things that are coming in your life, whether it's school or anything else like that. So be on top of it. Don't let any distractions try to come into your life while you're grinding, you know. I'm rambling, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up and comment down on this video or any other videos on what you would like me to film on next. I should be doing a food review soon, probably at this other vegan spot in Atlanta, but I'm still figuring it out. And yeah. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.